Hello, everyone, and welcome to this new series on using Netmiko for network automation. I'm not only happy that I'm going to use Netmiko for network automation, but then I'm also going to use an artificial intelligence to assist me. In fact, the AI is going to do all the job, designing the scripts, and then if need be, I will modify the scripts. So this AI is called OpenAI. I'm sure you've heard of it, but maybe you don't know the capabilities of this AI. So this AI basically does everything that you can ever think of. Okay. So I have this simple topology over here. I have only one router, show IP interface brief, shows me the IP configured on this router. I have SSH enabled. Then I also have a username configured on it. Good. So I also have a Kali machine over here. The Kali machine is acting as my automation controller. So I'll go to Kali and then ping the IP address that I have 46.147. And as you can see, my router is responding. I can also do SSH to the device or type the password. And as you can see, I'm inside. So without wasting much time, let's go to the AI. This is a very simple AI called ChatGPT. So I'm going to create a new chat over here, and then I'm going to type Netmiko. So I just typed Netmiko. The AI is going to explain what Netmiko is, what it's used for, and give us a scenario on how to use Netmiko to connect to network devices. And as you can see, it's listing the number of devices that you can connect to and other ones too. Okay, so now this is a brief explanation that we have over here about Netmiko. So now we want to connect to a Cisco device. So I'll type Cisco. It's an interactive AI that you can chat with. So I'll just type in Cisco. And as you can see, okay, seems I didn't get it right. So let me trying to explain Cisco for me. I didn't give the AI um, the keyword to search or the keyword to get me the result. So I will say Netmiko Cisco, save and submit. And as you can see, to give me everything that I need. And as even as you can see on my left hand side, I have a lot of chats with my chat GPT AI. And as you can see, it's giving me a detailed code to work with. Okay. So this is the code over here, very simple code. And I'll just copy the code. Now I'll go to my Kali machine. I'll go to CD root. Um, I'll go to desktop. I'll make a new directory for netmiko underscore a hyphen AI. So cd netmiko AI. I'll create a new file called show version dot show version dot py. So I'll paste the script over here. And basically, the only thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the IP address 198.146.147. And I'll also change the username, the password too. So now I will just save it so we can have a good look at it. So basically, what the script is doing is that we're importing the connect handler from the Netmiko library. So we have an object over here, and now we have a variable. And within that, and for that variable, we are creating an object of a connect handler. So the connect handler has the parameters we need to connect to the Cisco device. And when you come to the execute show version command, it's just simple. We use the send command. So now the object over here, that's the device, has these parameters. And then it's going to use those parameters based on that to run this showed version command. So we have a device over here, dot. This is a method of this object, then command show version. And then we store the output in a variable. And then we print the output, and then we disconnect. As simple as that. I'll click on save. I'll close it. I'll type Python 3 followed by show version. And I'll run the script. And as you can see, it executed successfully. So that's it. I didn't do anything. I didn't type the codes. I didn't do anything. The AI did everything. Okay. The AI did everything. So what I can do is that I can tell the AI, please explain the code. I haven't really tried this. This is new. I'm just trying to see the response I'll get from the AI. Okay. So now you see the magic the AI is doing. It's trying to explain every bit of the code that we used over here. So you can see it clearly over here. It's trying to explain everything. I don't know what else you might think of, but this is the best thing I've ever seen. Previously, when I'm doing scripts, I have to sit down at times for months to design scripts, and this thing can do crazy things for you. I don't know what else you can do with it. I've watched a lot of reviews on this particular AI, and it's one of the most crazy things I've ever seen. So I can show you some of my chat over here. This one is for Netmiko. As you can see, I was doing trials, and then it was giving me solutions on how to go about it. So this video is going to be this playlist is going to be very interesting. We are doing full Netmiko automation, and it's fully automated by an AI called ChatGPT, which is designed by OpenAI. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.